am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is Fluent CRM. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a contact is Create. You can choose as you want. Click Next. Now here search and select Encharge. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API, please visit Encharge API console. Copy the API key and paste it here. Click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Give one or multiple tags. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Encharge. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Fluent CRM Dashboard. Go to the Contact module. Click on Add Contact. Type some information and create contact. Now go to Encharge. Here is the data that came into Encharge through the integration. Thanks for watching our video.